Have you ever needed to distribute a bunch of layers, shapes along a path, and then have control over it, rotation, distribution, so on? Now you can. Let's duplicate this path a bunch of times. Here we have 30. Let's create a path along which we're going to be duplicating. Good. Select the layer with the path. Launch the script. Bam. Randomized rotation. Rotation offset. Distribution start, offset, distribution end offset. And as a bonus, you can animate the path and all the shapes follow.